सर एक तो सर फर्स्ट टाइम जितना इम्प्रेसिव इसका ट्रेलर है और उतने इम्प्रेसिव इसके सॉन्ग्स हैं फिल्म के, आज ही हमने एक नया गाना सुना जो जस्ट रिलीज हुआ, तो आपका पर्सनल फेवरेट सॉन्ग कौन सा है? और सेकंड वन इज
ये पहला भूल जाओ जी। मेरा फेवरेट गाना है माई। हो गया रिकॉर्ड हो
ओके, सेकंड वन इज लाइक हमेशा अक्षय कुमार जो है जाने जाते हैं चैलेंजिंग रोल्स के लिए, और ये स्काई स्टंट वाला जो जॉनर है ये आई थिंक फर्स्ट टाइम आपका होने वाला है, तो ये कितना चैलेंज?
कौन सा वाला वो?
सर ये जो स्काई स्टंट जो होने वाला है, जो फर्स्ट टाइम आई थिंक आप करने वाले एयर ऑफिसर।
अच्छा, एज एन एयरफोर्स ऑफिसर फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम प्लेइंग इट।
तो कितना चैलेंजिंग था, क्योंकि इसमें लाइक
चैलेंजिंग इसमें ये है कि देयर इज अ सर्टेन वे एन एयरफोर्स ऑफिसर वॉक्स, his posture is very different, so we had to have that and make sure that हम उसके ऊपर खड़े उतरे। तो these were the few things, otherwise बाकी तो I just kept on following what my director had to say, that's it.
Hello, my name is Ajay and many congratulations for the debut. My question is simple. How do you perceive cinema? What is the definition of cinema for you?
Cinema according to you?
I think I covered that in my last answer, that cinema's first responsibility is to entertain and entertain responsibly. I have two twins and I don't think I want a pair of twins. I don't want to make a film where they see tomorrow and they cringe. That's my responsibility. So I think as a country we get very, very influenced by films, and I think if we can use that to entertain, and I feel Skyforce has the potential for you to show you that it's not a job. Being part of the armed forces is a way of life, and it's a very, very beautiful way of life is what we saw today. So if I think that you take home, and जैसे हमने जो border देखी थी, हमने बोला हमें जंग पे जाना है, whereas this will make you feel to that it's a family. It also shows you the side that they are there for each other. You're not going to be left. And there are a lot of people who miss family because they leave their cities and come. So they find another family, and which I think is really, really amazing.
Hello, अक्षय सर। अक्षय सर, मैं जितेंद्र शर्मा, दैनिक भास्कर से। मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि ये वीर ने इस फिल्म में डेब्यू किया है। हम लोग आपको तो देखते ही आ रहे हैं, आप सुपर कॉप भी बन के आ रहे हैं और अच्छे अच्छे स्टंट वाले रोल भी करते आ रहे हैं, लेकिन वीर का जो पहला रोल है, कितने अच्छे सैनिक साबित हुए इस फिल्म के अंदर, आपको क्या कहना है इसके?
जी बहुत बेहतरीन सैनिक मैंने देखा है, मैंने फिल्म देखी हुई है। इन्होंने बहुत सटल परफॉर्मेंस दी। ही इज नॉट गॉन ओवरबोर्ड, एंड बिगिनिंग ऑफ द फिल्म से ही इज नॉट ट्राइड टू शो कि मतलब एक हीरोइज्म से आगे बढ़ने की कोशिश नहीं की। ही इज बीन अ गाय नेक्स्ट डोर, so that takes a lot of thinking and a good mind to think that I should not be go above my character. I should be मैं अपने लिमिट के अंदर रहना चाहिए. So that is one thing which I loved about him in the film.
Thank you.
Hi Akshay. Here.
Sir, niche.
Sir, niche.
Yeah. जी.
Hi Akshay, I'm Akshata from Hindustan Times. So my question to you is कि what was the toughest part, like the toughest bit about shooting for Skyforce when you were shooting?
Toughest part, I think so. It was not much of any kind of tough part for me, and a little bit what toughness was there, that I had to wear the helmet and do all the cockpit scenes, which was very heavy because I had to wear it from that time, and and my director made sure that it is very authentic. So 8 घंटे, and we used to get a lot of neck pain, and we had to wear it, and we used to sweat continuously, and a heavy jacket was put. So we were doing that. That was, I think, the only toughest part.
Okay, I have another. So I have another question. So we got to know that you were supposed to be there for Big Boss finale to meet up with Salman Khan, and he was late. He didn't turn up. So what
No,
exactly?
he was not late. I mean, say I had reached there. Yeah, he came a little bit because he had some of his personal this thing work, and then we spoke about it, and he told me that he was late, about 35-40 minutes late. लेकिन क्या हो गया था मुझे जाना पड़ गया था. So then we spoke about it, and I left, and then Veer was there. He said,
Hi, I'm Anshu from Press Trust of India, and my question is for Akshay Kumar. What made you say yes in this film?
Sorry.
What made you say yes to this film?
The whole story. The story was very important. It was a kind of a story which I would love to be a part of it. And the first time I remember, they both had come and we spoke about the story, and I loved it. And the way the screenplay was falling, and it is a true story. That was also another part. And I had never played an Air Force officer, so that was another part. And there was good amount of action and dog fights and all. So that was also, I had never done it. So all that's combined together, that is what made me say yes to it.
Hi, Vaishali from KBTV. Just wanted to ask you, Akshay is known for his discipline and he's so inspiring for all of us. How is he on set? I mean, not just his acting skills, but tell us about his discipline in terms of timings and I heard so much about him. How is he? And Akshay is such a big fan. You're inspiring people, so many people every day.
Ma'am, may I ask you how many press conferences have you gone to?
Just a few.
Many of them? कभी आपको किसी को पूछा, किसी ने बोला बहुत बेकार लगा है, मजा नहीं आया काम करके? नहीं, ऐसे ही मैं पूछ रहा हूँ. I always find this question very amusing that you sit with the other person, भले वो अंदर से कुछ भी कह रहा हो, लेकिन थोड़ी कोई बोलने वाला. वैसे ही बोल रहा हूँ. वैसे ये नहीं बोलेगा क्योंकि हमें मजा ही कुछ और था, आया था इस फिल्म के अंदर. वैसे मैं कभी सोचता हूँ ये ऐसे इंटरव्यू देख के ये कोई पूछ लेता है, how was it working with that person?
नहीं Akshay, that was not my question. My question is आपकी timings, आपका discipline. मुझे उसके बारे में जानना है.
अच्छा बताओ. सॉरी मेरी टाइमिंग खराब थी इसलिए.
आई थिंक जैसे अक्षय सर ने इतने सालों से हम सबको इंस्पायर किया अपने फिटनेस और डेडिकेशन डिसिप्लिन को लेके, वैसे ही उनका वो प्रभाव मेरे पे पड़ा क्योंकि बहुत अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग हमारा कॉल टाइम होता था और जल्दी पैकअप हो जाता था 8 घंटे. पर सर जब सेट पे होते हैं तो वो और कुछ नहीं देखते, ही इज़ कम्प्लीटली प्रेजेंट इन द मोमेंट. और उनकी एक चीज़ है कि अगर कोई भी सीन हो, कितनी इमोशनली हैवी सीन्स है इस फिल्म में, तो उन्होंने एक एनवायरनमेंट बना दिया पूरे यूनिट के लिए. ऐसे बहुत से दिन थे जहाँ पे पूरा यूनिट रो पड़ा क्योंकि उन्होंने ऐसा माहौल बना दिया था. भले वो म्यूज़िक के साथ हो, कुछ चीज़ें उन्होंने बोल दी, एक एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट कर दिया. तो हाँ, एक डिसिप्लिन और एक फिटनेस की बात तो होती है, बट एज सच एन एक्सपीरियंस्ड एक्टिंग लेजेंड, दिस इज व्हाट ही गॉट टू द फिल्म एंड ब्लेस्ड अस विद हिज प्रेजेंस. सो थैंक यू.
Hi Akshay. Hi everyone, I'm Fawzia from India News and NewsX. So Akshay, first of all I want to say that you are very charming.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
My question is that एक्शन सीन में तो आप मास्टर हैं, लेकिन इस फिल्म में सबसे थ्रिलिंग मोमेंट कौन सा था?
सबसे
थ्रिलिंग मोमेंट कौन सा था?
Thrilling?
Yes. एंड सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज?
सबसे थ्रिलिंग मोमेंट कौन सा था? एक्चुअली इसके बारे में मैं ऐसा नहीं कह सकता बिकॉज ये फिल्म देखनी पड़ेगी एंड उसके हिसाब से ही मैं बता सकता हूँ. थ्रिलिंग मोमेंट
चैलेंज ही बता दे, सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज क्या था?
चैलेंज था जब झूमर पे खड़ा कर दिया था इन लोगों ने. दैट वाज बिना हार्नेस के. दूसरा था व्हेन द पार्ट वेयर I along with all my other colleagues we attacked Sargodha which is in Pakistan. So that was also a very thrilling part, picturizing the whole thing. So these are the things.
एक्चुअली हम लोग के सेट पे हमेशा एवरीडे कुछ ना कुछ थ्रिल होता ही था. मैं बता रहा हूँ क्योंकि जिस तरीके से सर अपनी तारीफ नहीं करना चाहते, कोई अपनी तारीफ नहीं करता है, बट मैंने देखा है इनको एकदम पंक्चुअल, तारीफ ही होगी पंक्चुअल आते थे, बट माहौल सारे सीन्स बहुत ही ग्रिपिंग सीन्स हैं। वो सीन्स क्योंकि सर एक ह्यूमर के तरीके से आते हैं, हम लोग ने उनको एज अ कॉमेडिक एक्टर देखा है, और जिस तरीके से उन्होंने अपने आप को चेंज किया है इस फिल्म में, जो सटलनेस के साथ जो कैरेक्टर परफॉर्म किया है, वो बहुत थ्रिलिंग है देखने में। आप फिल्म देखोगे तो आपको लगेगा अरे ये बड़ा मज़ा आ रहा है इसको देख के, इस तरीके का परफॉर्मेंस सर का बहुत दिन बाद दिखेगा। तो वो मैं बोलूँगा कि पिक्चर थ्रिलिंग है। एवरीडे उसको बनाने में इसको जोड़ते हैं, इसको ये करते हैं, इसको पकड़ के करते हैं, इसको इस तरीके से करते हैं, वो बहुत चैलेंजिंग होता है। हर पिक्चर में फाइट, इसमें हैंड टू हैंड फाइट नहीं है, स्टिल दैट थ्रिल इज देयर, दैट एनर्जी इज देयर।
अच्छा सर, दिनेश, थैंक यू सो मच। एंड आई थिंक 26 जनवरी के हम लोग अराउंड हैं, दिस इज सच अ ट्रीट, जितने भी देशभक्त हैं, और सच अ ट्रीट अराउंड 26th ऑफ जनवरी।
Thank you very much.
एंड वी आर रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दिस मूवी।
कोई आगे नहीं जाएगा।
My next question is to Veer. First of all, Veer, congratulations for your debut.
Thank you.
So your debut alongside Akshay, Sara and Nimrat. How did you handle the pressure?
I mentioned the story before, but बहुत साल पहले, I think 9 साल पहले, I was with Sara in a hotel, and Sir was promoting Airlift with Nimrat ma'am, and we happened to meet them as fans. And now the world, I mean, it's a full circle when we got to share screen time with them and screen space with them. So yeah, it is very overwhelming, and God has been kind, I think, with my mom and dad's blessings. You know, I'm here and I will continue to work very hard, put my head down like I have been for many years, and hopefully prove to all of you all that I deserve to be. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thanks to all the media and
बहुत दूर से आए हैं।
Hi, Vaishali from NTV again. Just wanted to ask you, I mean, thank you. I want to begin by thanking you and Dinesh for bringing this to the fore, because the more we know about the defense, the lesser it is. All of us need to be reminded about how much they do for us every day. How did the idea originate, and how did you think of bringing this story to the fore?
So, Sharda, who's here, who heads content for us, sent me the script, and I actually sent Amar the script without reading it. So he read it before me, and then he was very, very moved. He was very, very moved because he couldn't believe this is a true story. This actually happened, and you know, to someone, you know, today if somebody takes something small from us, we get so upset, and Devaya didn't get his due for 23 years, and you had his family in his Air Force, someone he looked up to, his group captain, where painstakingly didn't forget him for 23 years. We forget family in 2-3 years. So I think that influenced us so much, because somewhere we've also come into this business. We're not from the business, so we've made our own little family. And you know, if someone went missing, what would you do? How long would you look for him? And if every fact told you that no, he's not there, and he was actually not very good at what he did, what would you feel? And you still went against every logic and got him his due and found out what happened to him, you know. And I think these are just, we're just scratching the surface. There are so many stories like that. So like you said, it's about time, but what's important is Amar has actually managed, by supervising this whole film, to make it very engaging. It's 2 hours, 5 minutes. If the film's like a rocket, you will not get a chance to think. You'll be at the edge of your seat, and you will feel you're inside that cockpit. You know, we were just talking about how thrilling it was and how difficult. There was actually a simulator made by the same guys who did Mission Impossible, in which they did all the action. So there was actual, you know, G-force on them. So they've been through that. That's why, you know, when you say thrilling, 8 hours sitting in that, I don't think I could sit 30 minutes. So I feel that there are so many things in this film that make it special for us. So I hope you guys, while watching it, feel that. And if that happens, I think we'll be really happy.
Also एक और केस थी कि जब मुझे डायरेक्ट नहीं करना था, जब प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए मैंने बोला, तो डायरेक्ट किया है मेरे ही असिस्टेंट ने, जो मेरे साथ स्त्री में था, बाला में था, भेड़िया में था, और वीर भी भेड़िया में वन ऑफ द एडी थे मेरे। तो ये पूरा इनको ये 2 लोगों का डेब्यू था मेरे साथ, जो मेरे साथ ही जो उन्होंने काम शुरू किया था। तो मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी थी कि उनके साथ उनकी फिल्म को एक सपोर्ट दे, जैसा मुझे सपोर्ट आप देते रहते थे, तो वैसे ही सपोर्ट मैंने इन 2
Thank you. This brings to the end of the press con. Akshay sir, thank you so much. We're really looking forward to this movie.